Okay guys, I got this old piece of metal here. I think it's a piece of hardened steel. I think it was for kind of pounding stuff in. So, but I'm gonna try and make I need a door handle for a sliding door. And then, so I'm gonna make some ends on this, some leaf type spade ends. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in there. Get started on the one end. I'm gonna hang this off about an inch there. Got both ends flattened out. Now I'm just going to go ahead and bend these down. I'm just going to drill some holes. I'm going to drill a hole here, drill a hole there. I'm going to give it a good wire brushing too, get some of that scale off there. You can see it kind of split on me there. I'm not too worried about it. There's a lot of thickness there. That split didn't get any worse. It's not like it's going to split down the whole thing. So I'll just drill a hole there too.